Mr. Speaker, it isn't my intention to regurgitate what has been said previously, but merely to support the Prime Minister, member for Castries East, on having presented this very significant amendment to the legislation. And to say that there is one particular issue, and I hope the AG will be able to address it, and because there is a situation, Mr. Speaker, when it comes to movable assets, and one of those movable assets being a motor car, as mentioned by the parliamentary representative for Castries Central. Upon the death of, say, a husband or a wife, who is left probably with little or no, really not much of assets in value. And what is left behind sometimes, it's a car, maybe a taxi. And to proceed with insurance and registration and licensing, the difficulty is that unless that probate of will or the succession is done, that individual's hands is tied. And in many instances at the Transport Department, there are people who come and plead, please, I need to sell this car so as to settle all other debts owed by the estate. And according to the law, they are not allowed, they are barred. And I've been given explanations already, Mr. Speaker, in terms of, who are the successors, etc., etc. Is it just the wife? If that individual probably have, as we call it, illegitimate children, what if somebody emerges and says, listen, I have an interest in that car? They are not allowed to do anything. And invariably, Mr. Speaker, what happens, that car remains there, sometimes it rots away, and that individual is left with a vehicle, a derelict vehicle, after 5, 6, 7 years of not being able to raise the necessary resources, unable to sell it, so as to attend to the residual challenges and debt, etc., within the family. So I'm hoping that at least somewhere along the line, the Attorney General can answer my question. Would that lacuna be dealt with? Will that lacuna be dealt with, Mr. Speaker, as a consequence of this amendment of administration of small acts is concerned? Thank you very much.